Yes, guys, after learning vowel sounds, now we'll start consonant sounds. Actually, I won't teach you all the consonant sounds as I taught you vowel sounds. On the same, I'll teach you few consonant sounds. In this chapter, we'll discuss regarding W and Y. W and Y both are consonants, but we have one confusion. Sometimes they have vowel sounds and sometimes consonant. Please listen to me very carefully because when we have a glance over the following words, we can notice the difference where we can say them vowel and where we can tell they are consonants. Listen to me very carefully and read the words. Now speak with me loudly and see these words carefully. The first word is now, and the second is how, and the third one is cow. These are the words where W has its vowel sounds, not a consonant sound at all. Further, we have some other words including Y. On the same, Y also plays the same role as W like a vowel sounds. So read these words loudly with me. For example, my, buy, try. You will see the difference. Here we have the vowel sound. At the end, Y, that is a consonant. Even then, the sound is a vowel sound. On the same, these two confusing letters in alphabet, they have both the sounds like a vowel sound and a consonant sound. Further, we can have some examples of consonant sound. So please have a look over them too. See, wall, what, well, again, wall, what, well. Here we have W in the beginning, but it has a consonant sound, not a vowel sound. Further, some examples of Y. In these words, YOU, here we have the right pronunciation of the word you. Next is your and young and youth. These are the words where Y is pronounced as a consonant sound, not a vowel sound. So I think you have learnt it well. I think you should revise it well. I think you should watch the video again. Further, for your well wishes, I come in your next class getting the nice video of some consonant sounds which are typical and give you tensions. See, in this video, I got my fluency really very low. Comment and suggest me. Should I increase it or it is the same? Thank you. Thank you very much.